Menteri Rangba ke jylla ukon rat ke sangma ula penram jurya ke kebalaca ya lai ngut ki samla kentai hanong ba Delhi ki bala chakran ben ha ki ar ngut ki shikurim ki bayasa wai ha ka ju ka yeng tang namar ba ki de na north east Menteri Rangba ula ong ba ki bor jong ka an ki de ban le ya ka badan kam la ne la da don kam manyakren bar ki bor ki ba halor na ka liang jong Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya la long ubalak loy ban pentikna ba kum kini ke chingkren chat ban riu kam de banja ulo ong bahari India ki don shibun ki chat ban riu paper kum ta don kam banya buram mar keliang iwe ya iwe kani ki chingle jong ki arngu chikurim da ka bakran ki kintin ki bam sautanat kalong ka ka ba omla ban pdeng kum ta ukmi lenti ba ki bor ka an kin le ya ka badon kam hakachu ka por Menteri Rangba ukuntu ya baro ki pat ba nong shong shnong kari India ba kum kini ki kim de banja hangno ru la ka de ha kanu ka chaka ha kari India namar baro ngi de ki nong India ngi hap ban bu ngi hap banya buram mar kelyang.
Unfortunate, and it is something that is, I should say, unacceptable in today's world. And the kind of the language that was used, the kind of words that were used, and the body language is something that is really, as I said, it was very sad, and I must say very unacceptable. How it was, how the way it was put, and the way the language was used, the way the words were used, is completely unacceptable. And in this point, as a state, as a region, as a country, as we are working towards moving forward together, these kind of statements and this kind of behavior only puts us back, 2 steps. We realize that in a diverse nation like India, we need to respect each other, and so therefore there is no excuse for that. And that happens, and that is something for us also to understand, that within our society also we need to practice the same thing, and as I say, we need to practice what we preach. So therefore we all have to do it. This has to be a universal thing, where people and citizens, whether it's from the rest of the country or from the northeast region or from wherever it is, without showing respect and without giving dignity to others, there is no way that we'll be able to see our country progressing in the way that we all would like to see. So therefore, I appeal to everyone, that this is not something that we should encourage. In fact, people should speak out. I hope that the local leaders there in Delhi, as well as the different leaders in terms of the community leaders also, will take serious steps to ensure that this does not happen. And I do encourage that we should have more and more awareness programs in these kind of ways, and especially for the people of Northeast, we need to also speak out about this to support each other. By speaking out, I don't mean you to say bad things about others. Please, that's not what I'm saying. Speaking out only means that you support one another. Speaking out means is that you appeal to others not to do this. Speaking out means you create the awareness to people who may not understand these kind of things that should not happen, because some people really don't understand it, and we've seen this, what happened in Malkanagar. So therefore this is very unacceptable, and I hope that necessary steps and action will be taken. And from our side, whatever we can do to support our sisters from Arunachal Pradesh who face this, we are always there. I'm always there, and as I said, from my side, wherever necessary, we'll take up the matter even at the highest level.